Today I'm gonna create thumbnail for a OnlyFans girl for her video on a cosplay topic. So before we start, I just want to say if you will need thumbnail design, you can contact me in my socials like Telegram, Instagram or Twitter or email. So the links you can find in the description of this video. And let's get started. So for the first thumbnail I'm gonna use these three pictures. And first of all, I'm about to create three objects that plus minus same size, like just this way, and edit them to fill the full workplace. Now I need to make it bigger, and now I need to make white lines that close to edge of this dark object, place it here in the middle, and that's it, and the same thing here. And now we have three zones here for every picture, and in the middle of thumbnail I'm gonna use this photo and place it and place her this way. And now I need to remove the background, so I just use the pen tool. And the background already removed, so now I take another photo, and she will be here on the left side. And now just removing the background the same way as previous one. And here's it. Now I'm removing background from places like here. And the last photo, we place it the same way as the left one. And now I want to fill the backgrounds with colors. For the left one I want to use red color, so I'm taking dark red and just fill it this way. For the middle part I guess will work yellow background because of her skirt, and just fill it this way. And for the last part, of course, we will use blue background. Now I'm about to make a color correction. And now you see how the photo was look before color correction, and here is how it looks now. I guess it's cool. And the same way with other two photos. And now I want to draw a light that behind of her. So I'm just taking red color, making the clipping layer, and just with simple brush clicking right here. And on the next layer with white color. And here's it. And the same moves with yellow color. And on the last part. And this thumbnail need to be with sick colors that will work with her audience. And now I need to draw the light on her, so I'm just taking the special brush for her hair and just taking white color with a bit red and just going this way. Honestly, I usually don't use this way to draw the light, but this time I want to try, maybe it will work good. And I guess it's not bad, so the same way on the left side. And now on clipping mask I use just a regular brush and make the light like this way. And now I want to make just white outlining, so I'm copying the layer of her. And on the below layer I'm making lightness 100, plus 100. And just making it this way, a bit left. And yeah, and just drawing a bit light on her. The same way as on her hair. And now I'm doing the same moves in the middle part. And honestly on the middle part I like it more. And on the last part we are doing the same moves. And now I'm saving this version and going to create AI. This AI will enhance the thumbnail and will make the light looks more natural, you know. And here's what Crea done for us. It too much changed her face, so I'm just removing it like this way. Also removing it from fingers. And here's face. And on this one. And now at all I like this thumbnail, so I'm just making the last layer with final color correction. And here's the final result. I really love it. So now I'm going to make the second thumbnail. Also I forget to say, I found this picture of crown, or how it's in English, I don't know, and place it just this way, just copying the final color correction, and yeah, here is the final result. For the second thumbnail I'm gonna use her photo, this one, and this one, yeah. For the first of all I am filling the background with gray color, just this way. I guess this photo will be in the middle of thumbnail. And now removing the background. And now I'm placing the second photo. I guess this way works. And now I'm removing the background. And the last photo placing on the left side of thumbnail. And the same way removing the background. And now I'm making color correction on her photos, just like on previous thumbnail. Now I'm about to add some light behind of her. So just on a regular brush with white color, clicking just this way, and here's it. Now I need to find the heroes of movies or cartoons, I don't know, that she made cosplay on. I found this photo of hero from the Mortal Kombat game, so now I'm just making this rectangle and placing it like here, plus minus. And on clipping mask I fill it with this hero and making some camera raw filter on it. And yeah, that's it. And now I'm adding some shadow behind the rectangle. And here's it, yeah. And now I place other rectangles on thumbnail, one of them right here. Like this way, yeah. And one more on the left side, right here, yeah. On the right part, I guess she made cosplay on this hero. I'm not sure, but maybe. And just placing it this way. And the last image on left side, just placing it this way. Now I'm going to create AI, and here's final result with AI, and now I'm just making the final color correction on last layer, and here's the final result.